Hello guys. So, if you're looking to mute or unmute stories on Instagram, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly open your Instagram, then just simply click and hold the story that you want to mute. So, for example, this one. So just simply hold it, then this type of overlay will appear on your screen. So all you have to do is just simply click on mute at the bottom. Then you will have a choice. Do you want to mute story or do you want to mute story and post? So for me, I will just simply mute story, then click on mute story. Now the story will disappear in a second. Now, as you can see, if I refresh the page, the story isn't showing up anymore. Now, if you want to get back that story or unmute that story, what you can do is click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then click on the three lines at the top right, then click on settings and privacy, then click on muted. Now over here you will find that person, so click on him, click on the following icon, click on mute. Now over here you will find what you have muted for this particular person, so just simply disable that option. Then after doing that, it's pretty much done. All you have to do is simply go back to your home screen, then refresh your home screen, and the story should appear. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.